How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I just went long on Solana a little while ago, very recently, and I want to explain why that is, why I'm essentially buying Solana then, and why I'm betting that the price is going to go up. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video to see future videos just like this. There's also a link underneath the video in case you want to trade on Margex. There you can long and short Solana along with other cryptocurrencies. You can use Solana either as the crypto that you're trading, or you can use it as collateral. So let's say I want to trade Bitcoin, I want to trade the Bitcoin chart. I could get rewarded in Solana, or vice versa. I could trade Solana and use Bitcoin as my collateral. So I'm trading the Solana chart, but getting rewarded in Bitcoin, or you can make it simple and do Solana with Solana, so you get paid out in Solana. Now, there's also going to be a link to Blowfin. Blowfin is actually where I put my long on Solana, right? I use multiple exchanges because I think it's important to make sure that you understand which exchanges you like. So every once in a while, I use different exchanges to see how the experience is, and I also like to just spread out over a couple different exchanges because you never know when one's going to go down to volatility. These two, along with CoinW, are really the exchanges that I use the most. Now, I put this long on Solana. Take a look at this chart. This is the Solana chart. Going back to December, we hit around a $120 Solana. Let me just zoom out so you can see a little bit better. So we hit around a $120 Solana, and then we got rejected. We got rejected all the way back to 75K, or to 75. No one wanted to buy it. Then we made a nice rally. We had a bit of a double top, retested a higher low, then continued to move up. Moved up all the way to $210. Then retraced, went back up, double top, and then fell back down. What does this look like? Well, it looks kind of like what we had here. Went up, touched, fell down, went back up, touched, then made a big rally. Here, double top, came down. Maybe we're about to make another rally, and you can see that we turned that previous resistance into support right around $125. Now, this is where I put my long position in, right around $123. Now, apologize if there's some laundry going off in the background, but I put my long in right around $123, and you can see that's not the only indicator that flashed for me. You can see right here, this is on HG Algo. We hit that previous resistance on this, turned it into support, and then started to move back up. So you can actually see the DCA signal that indicates that you should dollar cost average into an asset went off on HG Algo. So this is the first time on the daily that's gone off since last year, like mid to late last year, showing again this is probably a good time. We've probably cooled off enough after this 30% move, 40% move down. Maybe you want dollar cost average. Now, instead of dollar cost averaging, I went long. So I went long here. Now we're up spot. We'd be up about 20%, but I placed a long, a 5x long, so I'm up about 100% on this position. And even with this recent dip, we haven't seen the TVL go down in terms of Solana, right? The actual Solana TVL. Now, if you price in US dollars, some people like to look at this, well, then it obviously fell down because Solana's price fell down a significant amount. But no one jumped to the exits when we had the Solana TVL, or no one jumped towards the exits in terms of Solana TVL. You can see pretty steady move upward from about 10 million SOL up to about 25 million SOL since the beginning of the year, end of last year, really. So all these mixed together made me feel like that was a good time to be buying. We had fallen down 40%. Yes, Bitcoin had fallen 20%. So we 2x the move down. We were starting to flip. It looked like we were just rounding up, flipping that resistance into support. We had a buy signal showing, and if you don't know, HG Algo takes a variety of different indicators, a variety of different data into effect or into account here to show this DCA plus, showing that we had cooled off. So I made an educated decision to go long, almost timed it perfectly, and then we've been moving up. Now, of course, I could have timed it slightly better. I could have gone in at 115. There's a chance that I could have gone liquidated here, but I also knew at $122 at 5x, we would have to fall under $100, a couple dollars under $100. So I figured there's not a great chance that we're going to fall under. Maybe we'd wick down right below it, but I was willing to add a little bit to the position just in case that were going to happen, but that never happened. We never even got close. Now we're up. Now, of course, we could always fall down from here, right? We could just have a lower high and then continue to fall down. That's always a possibility. But right now, Solana's price around 150, I think is attractive enough to a lot of people. And if we fall down, they might feel like, wow, if I get the chance to buy it at 100 or 110, that might be too good an opportunity for the next bull run. So they might not pass up on Solana at that price. Let me know your thoughts underneath the video though. I really do appreciate it. You can check out the links again to Margex and to Blowfin and to CoinW. Apologize for the lighting, apologize for the camera quality as well, but this is the last video before, I know I've said that a couple times now because I filmed more videos, but this is the last video before we'll be back in the studio. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.